Guys, Fox the Engineer, and today I am going to be talking about some news actually. One, my blue and purple hair dye has come out of my hair, and two, hold on, I'll bring them to you. Come here, buddy, it's okay. It's okay, buddy. Yeah, this is Yeti. He's a munchkin. Oh, crap. Yeti is a Siamese munchkin cat. He's a kitten. Yeah, isn't he cute? Okay, go do what you want. You want to sit there? That's okay. Okay. Anyway, guys, I'm going to be talking about. Oh crap! No. Okay, there we go. I'm going to be talking about something weird. Okay, so I got rid of Tunnel Town. I know. Sue me. But it's because I wasn't really doing much in the episodes. I mean, there was one, like, cinematic, and that was it. What are you doing? Oh, crap. Every time I do that, it... Okay. Anyway, what are you just going to sit there? Just lay down there. Ow! Just bit me. Oh, munchkin. Brr. Ow! Quit. I'm going to try and find some games that I can play and actually finish, like story games. And I need to get a tripod. Tripod. Crap. I need to get a tripod so I can attempt to record Xbox and stuff like that. Hey, quit. Bad. Oh, you guys can't see it. Well, shoot. Anyways, guys, I'm going to end this vlog here. Hope you enjoyed. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe, do all that jazz down below. Do all that jazz down below, and I will see you next time. Bye!